folks, Logan here with Duncan's Boats, and today we're in this beautiful cabin of this Regal 26XO, and what we're going to go over here today is showing you how to convert this forward seating area into a berth, as well as do measurements both on this one and our aft berth. So hopping right on to it, Regal did a really good job when they designed this conversion, and the fact that we're going to be using our side bolsters here to go ahead and put this forward berth together. Now you notice here on the back it does have real nice strong starboard, so really sturdy and a good tight fit too. What we're going to do here, put our last cushion in. And now we have our forward berth set up. Taking my tape measure right here. This comes out to approximately 70 inches long. And I'm going to call it 68 inches wide. And that's our forward berth. Now we're here at our aft berth. Of course, no conversion needed. It does have a standard 3.5 inch foam pad back here, and length measurement comes in at a little bit over 80 inches, and width is, call it 55 inches. Folks, thanks for watching this quick video on the Regal 26XO berths down here, both conversion and measurements. Let us know if y'all have any questions. Have fun out there on the water, and be safe.